Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That's simple, that easy. Win the $100, use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's get started. We got iBNB as an ecosystem built to revolutionize decentralized finance and provide the most superior daily dividends in crypto. The Dynamic Transaction Protocol, DTP3, dynamically manages transactions fee percentages according to the health of the liquidity, measured by LP to market cap ratio. Advanced dividend pools provide sustainable daily dividends directly collectible from the website's dashboard, and financial tools empower investors to make wise investments decisions on the BNB network. Okay, so this is very important right here. You guys know that I'm big on anything that's tied with BNB. When we keep seeing BNB's already at like $560, anything that can get you reflections in BNB or that's tied to BNB, I'm telling you guys, when we see BNB at $1,000, you're gonna wish that you were getting some kind of passive income in BNB. I'm telling you, it's gonna happen. All right, so we got the mechanics right here. We got Dynamic Transaction Protocol. The Dynamic Transaction Protocol, DTP, is a revolutionary new mechanism that adjusts its transaction fees to sustain and rejuvenate supply pools. DTP refills the liquidity pool when needed and fully prioritize the dividends pool when liquidity is healthy. Dividend contributions, okay? So let's pay attention right here. Let's see what's going on. We got dividing contributions in a fundamental system designed for large claims and transactions to contribute back to the community in an inclusive manner. In order to ensure that every investor gets a fair share of dividends, those with the largest claims contributed a small portion back to the dividends pool relative to the size of their claim. Okay, so this is a new tokenomics. Leave some comments down below if you guys got questions. When there's new things coming out like this, I want to see you guys very active, having an open dialogue, not just with me, but also in the Telegram with the teams, and asking what's going on so you can get a full understanding of everything that's happening. Okay, right now we got anti-dump mechanism. iBNB is the first token to introduce scaling 24-hour transaction brackets for large sellers. The more an investor sells in one transaction, the more transaction fees will be applied to the transaction in order to protect our investors and maintain economic stability. So that's a huge mechanic that we like to have in these tokenomics. Anti-whale mechanism, saying that they're basically going to let you sell what you want, but there is going to be a higher tax. It'd probably be good to know how these taxes can be, how much more, and what they're looking like. But we'll see if there's the tokenomics are on the bottom and see what else we got. We got dividend stability, advanced dividend pools, and external cash flow management allows for superior, stable, and consistent dividends. Okay, we got burn protocol. 0.1% of every transaction will be redirected as an additional slow burn, as an additional deflationary aspect to iBNB. Okay, community driven. Pay attention. As this is the community-driven project, the iBNB team will listen to the opinions and concerns of the community. If a request change gets a majority of the community backing it, we will be open to the idea of making amendments to any such feature if it is beneficial to the long-term prospects of the ecosystem. So that's pretty cool that they're giving you guys this tool. Please pay attention to this. When these are community driven, this is large. You know, this is how you protect your investment, by being active in these communities, talking to everybody in the Telegram. Make sure you're tapped in on their Twitter. I already followed them. Make sure you got that bell notification. So you're tapped in on everything that's going on and updates with these projects, when they're happening and how they're happening. Let's check out the roadmap right now. We got team shift focus from previous project to work on a new breakthrough idea. Expectations versus outcomes weighed up. See if the project is feasible. Team began working on the back end development of the contract code, as well as the website and DApp integrations. Stealth marketing campaign, dropping small info about the new project in a select number of Telegram channels to allow word to spread organically. Begin writing the white paper, getting it ready for Q3. Okay, so this is very important. What's going to be coming in Q3. Remember, I'm big on, I say talk is cheap. Mean what you say what you mean. You guys want to pay attention to these roadmaps. These roadmaps we're talking about in Q3. So we got some type of dates associated with these plans. So that's good to hold them accountable for. Right here in the Q3 2021. iBNB website white paper and contract is released, contract finished, contract audited, website and DApp functionality completed, pre-sale, contract live, website and white paper launch. The team will be docked, so that's really good right there. Something to be looking forward to. We got to get that first chapter done on this roadmap, and to see where all these big things are going to be happening in Q3 right here. So real marketing campaign begins. Global marketing networks begin operation, raising awareness in all continents. Initial coin sale begins. Token is publicly tradable on PancakeSwap. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko applications are submitted. They're going to do that in Q3. Okay, this is what we got for Q4. Kicking off grant. So partnership for iBNB purchases on Visa and MasterCard. That is gigantic right there. That is gigantic right there. So that's why you guys want to pay attention. Make sure you guys do your due diligence when you guys are checking out these projects. And even after you watch the video, come and read these websites and thoroughly go through everything on here and figure out what are some of the things that you would like to see to make sure that you know that this project is solid, and where do you want to get in before something makes it moon. So you got to judge your entry point also by the roadmap as well. Okay, so we got the partnership with the Visa and MasterCard. We got Bitmart listing. That will be huge. That will send the price skyrocketing ASAP. Guarantee that if it does do that. Monthly dividends as well. We got XT listing, weekly dividends. LBank listing. We're starting to see a lot of mentioning about LBank. So definitely want to pay attention to this project. If they're tapping in with this LBank listing, it's something that I'm hearing come up a lot. So we got weekly dividends. Partnership number 2 on the nBNB network. iBNB project and collaborations. We got number 2 on the BNB network, world-class website upgrade. So we got a lot coming in Q4. You know, if you got to see some of these happen, you guys know they're going to keep taking these down. Q4 is looking really good. I like that we're already got something planned for first quarter 2022, second quarter, and the third. And we're going to go over these because I always, you know, I scold some of the projects when they're not thinking this far ahead. So it's only right that we show them some love on having a plan already for 2022. So we got the nBNB Foundation, BNB token purchase from iBNB.finance, BNB Visa MasterCard, +1 iBNB exchange listing, +3 partnership projects on the nBNB network, 5 total. We got 3 exchange listings for nBNB partnerships, 5 total. So they got some big ideas where also this is going to be big on receiving these reflections and stuff, because if this starts trading really fast, this is going to be a very fast hyper deflationary token where, you know, you're going to see the gains happen really fast because there's so much trading happening on it and so much awareness. So we got Q2, the nBNB standard, 3 partnership projects on the nBNB network, 8 total, 5 exchange listings for nBNB partnerships total, cross-chain interoperability for nBNB partnerships, 1 BNB exchange listing. So they're definitely going to get the word out on this project to get listed on all these exchanges. Every time they get listed on a new exchange, if they can fulfill these things, I'm going to tell you that the price is going to increase. I've been trading crypto since 2017, and anytime, even if some of these were a flop and they kind of fizzled out or whatever, even eventually got taken off an exchange, no matter what, when they got listed on any big exchange, that was a huge price increase. That's a huge catalyst to get listed on an exchange. A huge amount of awareness comes and volume increase into the project. So we got Q3 2022, the nBNB pipeline, 3 partnerships projects on the nBNB network, 11 total, 5 exchange listings for nBNB partnerships, 15 total, cross-chain for nBNB partnerships, and 1 BNB exchange. Okay, so this is the board. Come say what's up to the board. We got a whole team right here, so this is good. You know, and they're gonna dox eventually. So this is their you know, cartoon version of them. I like their Simpson character almost. But come show them some love. We got some people from France. We got the United States, Switzerland. Yeah, so we got people everywhere. UK, Italy. So we're tapped in all across the board. I want to check these things out as well. Check out the dashboard. This is something that I really like right here. That they are going to have the trading on their own website. That's going to be huge right there. And you guys know that I'm always doing TA. You guys who have been subscribed and tapped in with me with the bell notification. Also those who got my money bag alerts. Those who got my course for half off because you're tapped in to my money bag alerts. Those get you those courses half off. And what I do if you watch the channel is technical analysis and price predictions and whatnot like that. So this could be something that we're definitely going to keep an eye on long term, considering that they're going to have something right up our alley with implementing a chart. And considering that they have all these talks of listing this on so many different exchanges, I can see this being something that we'll be working on long term. Hopefully if you guys are tapped in with the team, you guys have them reach out to me and we can keep some close connection with them, because I definitely want to see the chart and see what's going on. And I can help them out with some of the, maybe if there's a beta version of the chart, I can help them out. I've been doing this crypto side since 2017. So just getting that out there. So this is coming. It's chart coming soon in the future. So we're going to check the free rewards. And I'm assuming this is where you would be claiming your rewards. I'm not going to connect with my wallet right now. I don't have no iBNB. But this is where you would come and collect your rewards, okay? So I want you guys to definitely come over here, get tapped in with them. Make sure you guys come to, where we at? Make sure you guys go to their Twitter. Like I said, I already followed them. Hit that bell notification. Get tapped in with them. They got 6,800 followers already. Come over here, show them some love. You know, let them know what's up. Let them know that Crypto Rico said what's up. And yeah, so you guys know what's coming. Continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, later.